Michael is on his way to work. He is driving within the speed limit on a 10-lane road. He's in the third lane from the right. He needs to merge right to get off the freeway. He looked at his side mirror. The right lane is empty right now. He thought it's safe to merge, so he signaled and turned his steering wheel. However, what he didn't see is that in his blind spots, there's a car on the furthest right lane that decided to merge at the same time. By the time when Michael noticed the vehicle, it was already too late. Two cars collided. Michael felt very frustrated. He had always thought he was a good driver, but he still couldn't avoid getting into a car accident. According to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, 840,000 car accidents were caused by blind spots in the United States, which led to over 300 fatalities. A blind spot is the area of a vehicle that cannot directly be observed by the driver while driving. Due to reduced visibility, blind spot accidents commonly occur on driveways, roundabouts, intersections, and multi-lane roads. Drivers also fail to check their blind spots when switching lanes, which can subsequently lead to a car accident. To prevent the blind spot accident from happening, please remember to 1. Check your surrounding before you drive. 2. Look over your shoulder before you change lanes or install blind spot-free camera systems.